Hello guys, this is a very simple unboxing or as in unpacking a product from Amazon India. I do not know how to thank Amazon India, as in like if Amazon wasn't here, there are many things which I wouldn't have got, and that would have made my life easier, as in like many people's life easier. That can't be compensated in any other ways. So, what it is, it's a pretty surprise little package. I do not know how they did it. They have chosen a very good logo, Amazon India or Amazon in a way, putting smiles on people's faces. So here we go. So let's keep the other packaging aside. What is this? It's a bicycle bell. Bell that I got it for my Revin Fixie Bicycle. So it cost about $5.95 according to this, but I only got it for $200. Okay, 203 to be precise. So this is how it is. It's waterproof, that's what they said, but I could see, yeah, I don't see anything that could rust from here. I'm not going to take my Revin Fixie in a pouring weather, because the Revin Fixie bicycle itself is a carbon steel material. By means, it's profound that it might get rust in rains. So I need to keep it careful. So anyways, this is the bicycle. I don't know if I can make it work just by my hand. If it is firm, yeah, it works. That's cool, right? So I got to fix it this way. If you are using your left hand, if you're using your right hand, probably you will have to pull it this way. So all good. It's the simple bicycle bell. Small unboxing. Peace. Okay, may not be the prettiest sight, but as you all know, my handlebar is 25.4 width, so this one is designed for that. So I'm gonna just expand this and log it in and keep it in the center between the stem and the grip. Okay, this is a temporary fix. Then you take your nut. It has a star head. Oh, the brake wire gets in the way, so you got to put it through your brake wire. Just screw a little bit. And start tightening. There you go. The bell is fixed and ready. Peace. It's not a prettiest sight that I can understand. We don't have a background, so, but it's fixed and ready. Peace. Bye. Oh, if you haven't seen me in the entire video, peace. No in-camera editing involved. Just showing you a bicycle bell which I love. It's called Oi Lux bicycle bell. Okay, so it's pretty expensive, as much as 3,500 Indian rupees to 6,000 Indian rupees or 5,700 Indian rupees. So it varies depending upon the seller. Okay, so it's the bicycle bell I totally love, and it's extremely loud, and it takes very less space on your handlebar, allowing you to add many other items like bike computer or your mobile phone, or any mounting bags that you have for your front end. You could do that. This bicycle bell allows plenty of space for all those things. So if you love them, please go check it. I'll leave the links in the description below. Okay, peace. Bye. So this is how my hand looks on the grip, on the handlebar, and forgive me, that's my plain feet on the frame. So I could ring the bell with my forefinger or with my thumb. It works either way, it's fine. It doesn't get me in the way of my hand. Peace.